All right.
No, that would be under.
Let's talk about
social areas.
this note.
Oh yeah, whoa. Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
I want to make sure that, because what always matters most is number of deals and dollar amount, right? So that should be always at the top. That's all that any client's going to care about. So we hit them with those numbers first. The traffic and how they got there and et cetera, can be below it. But the first at the top, hey, here's how many deals were brought in from marketing. Here's the stages of those deals. Here's the dollar amount with those stages. Yeah, so since we're spending approximately, I don't know, $7,000 a month on paid ads, $8,000 a month, and then going into 2024, it's gonna be increased because we removed Bing from it. Because of that, we should have not necessarily a whole dashboard just for paid, but a section in the monthly reporting, right? Okay. So what has paid done for us? So just like we did for BC, the original source is paid advertising. How many deals were created? What are the stages of those deals? What is the dollar amount with those deals in those stages? So looking at two different reports, because you can't do it all in one. Yeah. It just gets too busy.
Should they be posting organically on their own, and at what frequency?
I mean, it depends on how much time they have. I think possibly a conversation with either the entire sales team or maybe like I don't know if Caleb knows the answer to it. Mm-hmm. Of what are your salespeople doing every day? But they need to be spending a minimum of an hour, probably 1 to 2 hours ideally a day, setting out connection requests, engaging with people, posting stuff, et cetera, et cetera. Are you ending this meeting?
Well, I have to go get ready for my next one, but I just didn't know if you wanted to keep that for the nurture.
Yeah. Hey, so we're going live in an hour.
How do I put this dang video on here?
Go like click, wait. You're in, click below it, and then.
Oh, there you go. I don't
So we're going live in an hour, me and you.
Yeah.
How many people do we have so far attending?
150.
150?
Yeah.
We don't have any topics, nor do we know what we're talking about. So I'm in a meeting for the next 30. After I'm done with that meeting, could we jam real quick, maybe in the studio, and just be like, what are our topics?
Yeah, let's do it.
If you have ideas ahead of time.
I had some. I put some.
All right.
I had like 4 or 5 little blurbs.
It's like, I need bullet points.
Yeah, like bullet points.
Bullet points? Okay. All right.
Okay, it can only go up from there.
Exactly.
I can't do it when I'm in here, but I'll go ahead and fix it.
Are you in this meeting?
Yeah.
Shh, let's go.
Like they're crazy, like $3,000 to $5,000.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's insanity.
Yeah. So we've got there's a engineering company up in Canada that reached out to us, and they made the mistake of buying ZoomInfo OS, Sales OS, which is what we have, plus multiple seats, and they got conned into the Insights platform of ZoomInfo, which is not worthy of money.
So,
Well, we appreciate you, and I will give you guys an update on Lemworm once this thing populates.
all right, sounds good, guys.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.
Anything under 70, I need a sweater with heat on.
Jeez.
I'm not from Chicago. I'm South Side.
I'm not from the south side either. I'm from the west side.
West side?
West side. Oh, turn those lights.
So, yeah. And then you twist it? Yeah.
Okay, I can't go lives with Alex anymore. At least not with this table. I'm gonna be like this.
Table is like I can barely put my legs underneath here. Stretching.
Okay, well, we're not going live yet. We don't even know what we're talking about yet. What are we talking about?
I have some notes here for.
Wait, what's the subject? What's the subject?
The 2024 marketing.
2024
Industrial Sales Mastery 2024
Sales.
Playbook for Dominating.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Let's go. So, what's up, guys? Kyle Milan back with another live. Went live last week to kick off this end of month activity that. Video is easier to engage with. Video is easier to understand. You can say more in a video than you can in an article. It takes less time for people to comprehend it. So shoot some sort of video. But make sure that you hit subscribe on YouTube. Follow me on LinkedIn. If you haven't followed Alex yet or sent him a connection request, give him a follow, and we will see you on the next one.
See you guys.
Hey, okay, Pro Stack is done here. I've put a couple options in it for them because they were wanting, they gave us kind of a good range, but they kind of wanted a couple options. They don't really have any sort of marketing currently, so they're kind of taking our lead on that. Do you think that there should be anything else that I would add on there?
No, that's probably good.
Okay, cool. Then I'll send it out here and then we'll get it approved.
You might not need that page.
That one?
Yeah, because like on mine, I removed that page, so you can probably remove that.
Okay. Yeah,
Because you already
the
listed out
options.
the options.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good to send.
Cool.
And then on the other thing, for the other company, do you want me to look at that? Do you want me to reach out to them? All right.
Cool beans.
Anything else? You good?
I think we're good.
All right.
See you tomorrow, Kyle.
All right, man. 4 o'clock. How do you think the day was, Riley?
I think it was pretty good. I think we got a lot done.
We got an interview going on over there. Oh, I don't want to go in there. So, busy day, but not, I mean, I feel like that wasn't even like a super busy day, right? So, I had meetings, sales stuff, discovery, not a discovery call, but proposal review meeting went live today too. That's a weekly thing, but if you guys like this content, hit them thumbs and we'll keep making more of it. The goal is behind the scenes every single day and still keep doing that talking head content where it's like me teaching you guys something specifically, but also doing behind the scenes. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. We'll see you on the next one.